been increasing our partnership with all the Chinese OEMs, the big ones, the new ones, working pretty much with all of them. And the way to succeed with them is innovation, point number one, competitiveness, point number two, and speed, point number three. These are the three key differentiation that Valeo can bring. I think it's important to note as well that we are being seen as an important player for them to support them in their global expansion. Because Chinese OEM will settle and are settling outside of China, in Europe, in Latin America, in ASEAN, which are countries where Valeo has already established manufacturing and R&D in a massive way and for years. So we can bring to these customers the Chinese cost, the Chinese innovation, the Chinese speed in China, like any Chinese supplier. But on top, we can bring them support for their global expansion, thanks to our global presence in all the countries where they wish to settle.